You're watching The Lifeline TV. I'm LaShawn Daniel, and today we're going to take some time to review a book that was written by a brother by the name of Michael McCain. And this book was submitted to us a few weeks ago, and the title of it is Life Editing. And I believe it's a message I believe a lot of us can relate to when you're trying to get rid of some hindrances and roadblocks and some toxic relationships and different things of that nature that all seem to boggle us down. Then you have to take some time to go in your life, and sometimes I say, you have to L7, you got to delete some stuff and you got to get rid of some things. And so this book is definitely something I believe you can benefit from. So I'm going to be joined later by author Martina Young, who's going to be sharing her thoughts this week.
I wanted to share with you a few things that I received from the book Life Editing. First of all, one of the things that grabbed me immediately was the subtitle, Taking Out the Trash. And that is what this book is about, examining our lives, editing out what does not need to be there, putting out the trash. Because far too often there are things that we're carrying in our lives, things that we're packing that are of no use anymore in our life. And so this book takes us on a journey to examine ourselves, examine our emotion, examine our relationships and different things in our lives that we may still be holding on to that need to be edited out of our life. And so I would encourage you to take the book and walk along the path that Michael McCain is trying to lead us on through this book. Many of us sometimes are hindered by relationships, by careers, by different things in our lives that we continue to hold on and God is asking us to release. So Life Editing is a book that will change the direction of your life if you would take the time to allow God to minister to you through the words found in the book. The chapter entitled Self-Sabotage, it opens with this question, and it says, who needs enemies when you have yourself? And sometimes we do not stop to realize that often we are our biggest hindrances. And in that chapter he talked about how often we are our own greatest stumbling block, and that we need to stop and examine what's going on in our own minds and our own lives to stop our progress. Stop blaming everybody else and stop and look at yourself to see, is there something within me that I need to change? For example, he talked about how our thinking can be a hindrance to us going forward. And instead of going around thinking lowly of ourselves or thinking that we can't accomplish this and the other, if greatness is what we desire, then greatness is what we should set our minds on. So it's time to cut out the self-sabotage, get on the road of life editing, trash out, and move on, because God has great things in store for each and every one of us.